Well guys, this is what I've been at the last couple of days. Building myself a little desk microphone, little mini mic. Little mini mic. It's a part from the junk box basically. Got an old boom mic from an old microphone, discarded mic. Got a volume control, pot potentiometer, knob, little switch for a PTT switch. The case is from an old TV, I guess, impedance matching transformer thingy. That's what this case was. A block of aluminum on the back to order to mount this properly. Need a bit of thick metal to put it on. A little bit of 5 conductor cable and 4-pin microphone for a Cobra. Right now she's wired up to a Cobra. I got no bottom on this thing yet, but very simple. Nothing into it. But yeah, little volume control here, sort of thing. Power switch, or a PTT rather. How it's going to work, I don't know. Right now I have her wired up to a Cobra CB radio, a Cobra 138 XLR. You might remember that one in previous videos. I going to try this mic on that radio. First, got a little repair I gotta do on the Cobra 138 first. Once it gets that out of the way, we're going to try this microphone. Now, in a previous video way back when, I put a audio amplifier for a microphone inside this case. Line control on off. I believe I wired this to the Cobra 138, so technically it should work. But what I'm going to do, I'm thinking about removing the audio amplifier from this case, and I may end up putting it inside the Cobra 138 because the element in these need a little bit of voltage, need a little bit of help to step up the audio to the inside the radio to generate enough audio. But I'm going to try the mic without using this first, and if it works fine and mic gain is quite sufficient on the radio, then I won't have to bother modifying radio with another mic at all. But anyways, that's the plan and sticking to it. Of course, the trusty Cobra 138 XLR mobile with the 858 chip. The radio is not modified. It's not going to be modified, so I'll get your pennies in a bunch. Don't want to get your pennies in a bunch, boys. She's not modified. But we're definitely going to put this microphone on this radio and see if we can get it to modulate. See how she works. Anyways, let's get the repair done on this 138, and then we're going to try that microphone. Well, I had to adjust for carrier balance. It was off just a little bit. So this little plate here kind of folds up kind of thing. And the carrier balance is kind of like right here sort of thing. It's a little variable like that there. Well, she's right about here. But yeah, so we got the carrier eliminated. So I got the microphone, the desk microphone thing, beast, whatever you want to call it. She's wired up. That wire's running. Preamp is in here. 9-volt battery. Audio adjust. All built, all metal. Should be pretty shielded. So yeah, I'm gonna give her a try now on this Cobra 138. I'm sure the 138 ain't gonna like that microphone. But we shall see. Right now we're going to transmit on the 138 XLR. We're going to receive on the AR8600. No antenna attached to it, and I have the attenuator turned on. As you can see, ATT in the top left hand corner. So this is the regular stock mic with mic gain on bust. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is the regular stock microphone with mic gain on bust. Mic gain completely clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright, and this is the fancy desk microphone slash, I don't know what you want to call it, contraption that I built today over the weekend. Mic gain on the radio is at only maybe one notch. So it's barely open. So now we're going to transmit with the desk mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is right up on the microphone element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm not even, like, I'm whispering into this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. And now I'm going to move out. Now I'm about 8 inches away from the microphone. Now I'm right next to the mic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I cannot turn the mic gain on the radio any higher, and she just can't handle the amount of audio going into her. So I have a microphone gain on the desk mic itself, as you can tell. I can bring it down to nothing, pretty much nothing, and then I can bring it right back again. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This here is the desk mic. So folks, there it is. That's the desk mic right here. She's finally all built, all together. I think she works pretty damn good. She got loads of audio, more than a poor radio can handle. And the schematic is based on one transistor, the 2N3904. The circuit only uses, let's see, it uses 6 parts total. The amplifier is in this case here. That's where the audio amplifier is too. The switch is right here. It puts her into transmit, puts her into receive. That is transmit. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. That's mic gain right there. Of course, 9-volt battery and the element. And it's a gooseneck, which is always dandy. Anyways, there we have it. The radio, I should say, the microphone will only work on a relay, on a radio that has a relay in it. Because all this thing is doing, you're literally 2 wires for your PTT and 2 wires for the audio from the element. Goes into the mic connector on the radio. This thing will not switch a receive line. So, there you go. Anyways, we got a bunch of pictures of this thing, and that's the microphone I was using as a regular stock mic. Well, not the regular, it's a superstar stock mic, but it's an unamplified, and that's the microphone I was using first, and second I was using this one. So cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So no trouble to modulate that radio. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Let's see what the rest of the week this week brings. And as I always say, what'd you build out of your junk box today?